Hi there, this is Jackie from the TinyBrander Customer Success team. In this video, we're going to show you how to upgrade your account directly through your account dashboard. So here we are inside the dashboard, and all you have to do is go down on the left-hand side to where you see your account details. Right down here, click on that. That's going to bring up all of the basic details of your account, your password, your shipping address. But where you want to go is to manage plans. Now, on the left-hand side, this is going to show you any plans that you've purchased previously. But where you want to go in order to upgrade your account is over here to where it says current plan. Click into that. It will show you what your current subscription is, and that will allow you to instantly select the plan that you want to upgrade to. Most people are going to want to unlock the full capabilities of TinyBrander and upgrade to the Black Label access, so you would just hit select right here. That's it for this short video. I hope you found it useful. But as always, if you have any questions or concerns, you can reach out to us at support@tinybrander.com or use the help bubble in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Have a great day and happy branding.